Hi guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are doing fine, and in this particular video I will talk about Motorola G9 phone, and these are the two phones which we bought for our parents from the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale which happened recently. I already have opened one particular phone which is in blue color variant, and the next one which I got just 2 days back, I will do the unboxing in this particular video because I thought that I create all my content for my YouTube channel Book Tales by Preetha on my phone, which is MI A3, and I have now got two more phones, and why not do an unboxing and talk about phone, which is a very important part for my content creation process in this particular channel of mine, Book Tales by Preetha, because not only the recording of the content I do on my phone, but also the editing I do on my phone. The photographs that I require, I always shoot it on my phone. Also, the thumbnail that I created via my phone. So this phone or these phone or the ones that I am shooting, they are like oxygen for my YouTube channel. And that is the reason I thought, let's do an unboxing, because I just got these phones and I have heard good things about these phones, and I will talk in details about Motorola G9 phone in this particular video. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha. This is a bit different video. As I told you, this will be the unboxing of a phone. Previously, I have done unboxing of books, and in this particular video, I will do unboxing of a new phone. I hope you like it. I am not a tech geek, but since, as I told in the beginning, phone is very important for my content creation process, so I thought, why not talk about phone in this particular channel. Let me tell you once again, I am not a technical person, but I have done, along with my brother, some research before buying these phones, and whatever information I have got, I will share in this particular video so that it is of some help to you all. Now, without further ado, let's begin the unboxing of this particular phone. Now, let me do the unboxing of the new phone. Now, this phone, is made for India. It is designed for India, and this particular phone is launched only 2 months back. This phone, the original price is 11,499, but in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, I got this phone after using the SBI credit card for 9,000 rupees. So we got quite amount of discount because we bought two phones. Now, let me open the phone and then I will show you what is. Now inside. I have opened this box. Now here's the bill, and after that there is a very good packing, I must mention. You see the packing. Now inside this packing is this particular box. Now let me cut the sellotape and then I will talk. Now this is the box, and as I open it, the phone, now you can see this is the front side of the phone, and this particular phone comes with an inbuilt plastic cover, if you can see. And now I will open, and this is the green color variant of the phone, while the other one is the blue color variant. So this is deep bottle green and this is the blue color variant of the phone. Now this phone has got octa-core processor 4 with 4 GB RAM. There is 48 megapixel triple camera, as you can see, with night vision. And for technical things, I have to check the notes. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 662 SoC. Now, what is Snapdragon 662 SoC is that it has features like new GPS along with regular GPS, 662 codec that helps picture and videos to be compressed almost half the size that was not found in Snapdragon 6X series. So this is an added advantage. You don't need to compress the videos and pictures after you take the photo. Let me show you what comes along with the phone. Now you have the guidebook, you have the charger. This is the charger, and along with that you have this one for regulating the SIM. For this you have got this particular hinge. Now let me talk about the technical details of this particular phone. It comes with 5000 mAh battery, 4 gigabytes of RAM, just I told before, 64 gigabytes of internal storage. The cover is pre-applied, as I have already shown you. See, it comes with the cover of the phone, and there is a fingerprint scanner, and there are 3 cameras. It also has a reading guide hybrid SP card slot, and there is the USB cable and 20-watt fast charger. So this is the 20-watt fast charger. Also, I should mention that unlike the regular phone, there are 3 buttons that come in the side, and this last button, this one is unique to this particular phone, and I will show you in the one that I have opened. If you click over here, then directly it will go to your Google, and you can direct to Google whatever
your phone
you
has no SIM card installed, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
You have to put the SIM card. I am yet to put the SIM card inside this particular phone. And also over here is, if you click over here, then you have got the, for a screenshot, you can take the options for screenshot, and here you have the jack for your headphones. Here is the noise cancellation speaker, and here you can charge the phone. So these are the basic specifications. Apart from that, there are 2 slots for SIM card in this particular phone. Here is the tray for inserting the SIM card. For this you need the micro SIM card, and I will also tell you that this has got inbuilt Wi-Fi support. Obviously all the phones have Wi-Fi support. Now, triple camera. Now let me talk about the front camera in this particular phone is 8 megapixel. It comes with 500 mAh battery and 20-watt fast charger. Now, no blot, no unnecessary junk is there. It does not come with any preloaded advertisement, which is an advantage. And also the fingerprint scanner, over here is the fingerprint scanner, and it comes with the typical Motorola logo. The face unlocking facility is also done via this phone. Now, this particular phone comes with Android 10, and it will be automatically updated to Android 11, and the security updation of this particular phone will be for the next 2 years. That is what we have researched and found out. And let me talk about the camera, because camera is nowadays a very important feature for the phone. Now, this phone has got 3 cameras, as I have told. There is a 48 megapixel camera which comes with f1.7. There is a 2 megapixel camera for depth, and there is a 2 megapixel camera for macro. Also, this screen size of this particular phone is 65 inches. It is bigger than my MI A3 screen, both in length as well as in width. Now let me talk in details about the 3 keys over here. As I told you, the right over here, this particular is for your Google Assistant. Then there is one for adjusting the sound, power on off, and for doing the screenshot. And this has got microphone features with noise cancellation, and the speaker is over here. Here is the speaker, as you can see. Here is the speaker. Also, as I have told you, that this particular phone is first launched in India, and it is designed for Indian audiences, and this I think is made in somewhere in Tamil Nadu, and this is one of the best budget phone that we researched and found out, and for all the functions, be it for calling, for photographing, and all the basic features are available in this particular phone. So if, unlike us, you want to gift your parents something this Diwali, then do try out these phones. I'm sure they will be happy with it. So these are the 2 beautiful colors of the phone, with 3 cameras, one with 48 megapixel with 64 GB internal storage. So you don't need to put SIM card until and unless you create regular content or videos and update it. Also, I will this phone, I have seen that it has got the portrait feature, the basic photo features, as well as the other video functions. Photos are not very good, but it is up to the mark. It is pretty decent. So ones who are looking out for phones in budget, you can definitely try Moto G9. and this is my first video where I'm talking about gadgets. This is my first attempt and first try. If you like it, then do hit the like button. I know there are various shortcomings and drawbacks. Do pardon me. I will try to better and improve with days to come. If there is any other gadgets which I buy, then I will definitely talk about those on my channel Book Tales by Preetha. Also, to know more about Book Tales by Preetha, do follow Book Tales by Preetha on Instagram. Our handle is Book Tales by Preetha. I write blogs regularly. My blog handle is preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. I have my YouTube channel, Book Tales by Preetha, where I come in regularly and post new content for you to watch. So do subscribe my channel, Book Tales by Preetha. To follow me on Twitter, it is @PreethaSharkar18. And have I forgotten anything? No, I will put the link of all the social media handle in the description section below, as well as if after watching this video you want to buy Moto G9 phone, then I will also, if I get I will put the link of the phone. The phone I bought it from Flipkart because it was not available in Amazon. So I will put the Flipkart affiliate link of these phone down below, and do take it from the link given in the description below, because if you buy it from the link given in the description below, then I get small percentage as commission from the Amazon not Amazon, this will be Flipkart affiliate link. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and goodbye.